Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. And thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
Me know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
So we're doing some stew beef. Mommy cleaning up our meat. And we have 4 pounds of stewing beef right here. So far I wash it with some vinegar and fresh water. We're going to give it a second rinse. Show me the other one.
Like this now, you go tear off this.
You rip off that. Nice. You see all that bloody water. So those will let it be chewy, so you want to remove that from your beef, so it's not chewy. No, I always tell them, you know, when you see mommy using knife and...
look like this, because I don't water from morning.
Oh, yes, so mommy always use her knife in her hand like that. This is not recommended if you're at home. Use a cutting board. This is just how she works in the kitchen. But for something like this, you would put it down on a cutting board and cut off the excess skin and fat. Alright, so once it's cleaned up and rinsed again, we'll show you what it looks like. So use 1 tablespoon of jerk seasoning. Just because you don't have any scotch bonnet, all of it was blended in this one. So we'll get a tablespoon worth.
Wow. I'm going to put some all-purpose.
So we'll put about 2 tablespoons of all-purpose seasoning.
And the reason I put some because I know.
Yeah, this is 4 pounds of beef. So mommy likes to mix her all-purpose seasoning, so 2 different kinds.
You want it seasoned to the bone.
Okay. And this is another tablespoon and a half. So in total around 3.5 tablespoons of all-purpose seasoning. And the thing is, sometimes when I tell you guys the measurement, you're saying I put more than what it's in there, but we season and I give you a guide as to what to use. So use there a teaspoon of black pepper. Yeah man, I give you a guide to use at home, even though we season until we're ready to stop. Yeah?
Alright, I'm gonna rub in my season, you know.
Okay, rub it up nicely.
Yes, one sharp bone, you know what?
Cut your hand.
Yes, pint.
So that's something to note. When you're seasoning up these type of meat, you need to be very careful as to not get your hands cut. So you're massaging the seasoning. I sit the season first and then you put your browning after.
Because the jerk season makes it look like browning the pony.
Okay, so you want to judge it. So a teaspoon of browning sauce, or some people call it burnt sugar. So rub that in. Nice light color, not too dark, because too much browning will make this bitter. And as I said, we use the jerk seasoning in this method because we don't have any scotch bonnet pepper. If you have scotch bonnet pepper, feel free to use that instead of the jerk seasoning. So mommy added 3 chopped garlics. I didn't get to catch that on camera. That's what you're looking at right there. Smells good, looks good. Alright, gonna add some oil to a hot pan or hot pressure cooker. We have here 2 tablespoons of oil, and this is oil that we reuse. Okay, right. So I guess mommy don't sear off hers. So we'll cover that to produce its own liquid. I want to do this for about 5 to 10 minutes. So back after 15 minutes. And look at that. Only with 2 tablespoons of oil that generate all that liquid. Natural.
Some people that just put in there and just throw water at the same time.
Oh.
We don't like it so. That come like a raw meat me I eat.
Okay, so you like to
Yes.
get that water, that natural juice from the meat.
If you just put in there, I just put water on it. Now go carry out that flavor.
So this is how you always make a stew beef. Okay. Alright, water.
So I'm going to go in with my water now.
And we have what? 2.5 cups of water. Or rinse it from that bowl that we had the chicken, the meat seasoned up in. Okay, just enough water to cover the meat pieces. Look at that. Perfect amount of water. You don't want too much or too little. Just to cover the top of the meat in a sense.
Cook everything, cook everything. Then put the carrot and honey from here, put in there after.
So now you're gonna pressure this now.
Yes.
So about how long are you gonna pressure this for?
About 50 minutes.
50?
15.
Okay. So 15 minutes pressuring. Alright, quiet. Nice. 15 minutes has passed, and when I say 15 minutes, you allow it to come to a boil, and then you count the 15 minutes from there. Go ahead, man. Alright, so this is what inside looks like. Beautiful, beautiful. The whiff of that heavy beef flavor that just hit. You realize this, the sauce has reduced a little bit, and it's gotten a little bit thicker too.
Let me see if it cook right to get the right texture.
Yes, so you're just gonna finish it off without the pressuring.
No, I want this pepper too much. Feet.
This smells so good. Look at that. Fork tender. Alright.
So I'm gonna put on now. Light back the stove, put in my carrot.
And then we have over here some beautiful rice and peas. So preparing some carrots to add to that. So how much carrots you gonna use?
1.
So 1 carrot, and just cut that into uniform sizes of a desired shape.
Oh, this never one no more brownie nothing.
Alright, so what's the next step after this now?
Onion
Onion? And that's it?
and ketchup.
Okay.
I
Nice.
like meat cooked down with little ketchup in it.
Yeah, nice, nice. So half of a nice medium onion in. So for this now, you don't add no extra seasoning, nothing. Just season it one time from the jump. Allow it to just cook in its own juices, and then you add that little bit of water, pressure it, and then the ketchup, the onion, and the carrot. Nice. So we're looking at about 1/4 cup of ketchup.
You can come like and make it just steadier. You can put that Irish potato, you can go in, but you know.
Okay, so mommy normally put Irish potato, you normally put sweet pepper too. So what you can add to this, and we add carrot, and you can put some Irish potato and sweet peppers. In Jamaica, we normally do that in our meat, just to stretch it a little bit. Stretch in the sense of make the meat more, so it can serve amongst more people. That's why we normally add extra carbs in our meat. So you're not going to mix that in. So I'm going to leave it like that. Alright, I'll just cover it up.
Come down.
Okay. So we're not mix that in, you just cover it up nicely. Okay. How long?
Anytime it comes to gravy.
Alright, so about 20 to 25 minutes on medium low heat until it's thickened. Alright, look at that. No spoon, nothing didn't add to that. Go ahead, mommy, go ahead.
So the ketchup, instead of the ketchup root, you just put it on the top. So you're going to make it once, stir now, and then the cauliflower once 5 minutes you cook them.
Okay, if you thicken up the gravy a little bit. Okay, so just like that. Okay, so 5 more minutes will do the trick. And if you had any potatoes in this, obviously that would act as a thickening agent, which will get this thicker quicker. Yeah, man. So that is it.
So,
that is
so
it.
you can't pressure the beef too much. You have to kind of, and then you make the heat finish cookie.
Yeah, you don't want to pressure it all the way, because too much pressuring won't give it that flavor. When you slow cook it, you get a more stew intensified flavor. And I know I'm gonna get questions as to what if I don't own a pressure cooker. Okay, depending on the age of the meat. If the meat is a younger cut of meat, and you can tell if it's younger when the raw meat is more on the redder side. If it's more so a gray looking color, then the meat is older. Younger cuts of meat will take up to about 2 to 2.5 hours. Older cuts can range anywhere from 2.5 to 3 hours. So you just put that on medium low and watch it gradually, and then you watch it until it becomes fork tender. But if you're using a pressure cooker, 15 to 20 minutes after it comes to a boil, and it gets tenderized, and then you finish off for another 20 to 25 minutes here on the stove top, and that will intensify the stew flavors. And look at that, beautiful. The gravy so 5 more minutes and dinner ready. So if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And once again, thank mommy. Big up mommy for another quick and easy recipe. One of them recipes that were bad in the kitchen. You see, that is it. The Jamaican stew beef. And mommy have some greens and carrots for the veg. And of course, rice and peas. Like, comment, share, and hit subscribe. Look at that, beautifully stewed. Some glassy rice and peas, green beans and carrots outside.